In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to buy Pepe coin on TrustWallet. To buy Pepe coin on TrustWallet, you can follow these steps. Simply go ahead and make sure to download the TrustWallet application and create a new wallet, or simply open an existing wallet. Once you're inside this main homepage, tap the buy button at the top of the screen, and then in the search box type in Pepe and search. You'll be able to see this coin displayed on the screen. Now, go ahead and enter the amount of US dollar you're willing to spend to buy Pepe coin. Then, after you are done with it, tap the third-party provider option. If available, select a third-party provider. Since it is already selected Simplex in my case, let me move forward. After you select a third-party provider of your choice, tap the next button at the bottom of the page, and you'll then be redirected to a third-party service that allows you to buy Pepe with your preferred payment method. Here you'll need to go ahead and enter your card details that you'd like to make a payment with. Enter your card number, its expiry date, the name on the card, and the security code of your card you'd like to use for the purchase. You can also save this particular card for future purchases by tapping this little box at the bottom. Also, make sure to agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy. After you are done with everything, tap on the next button at the bottom and follow the instructions on the screen, and you'll be able to complete your purchase. Soon after the payment is done, you will receive your Pepe coin on TrustWallet. That was how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.